Join me as I dive into the world of powerful herbs and see if I can fight off the flu and colds naturally. As we all know, cold and flu season can be a real challenge. Many of us are looking for ways to boost our immune system and prevent getting sick in the first place. With the rise of health-conscious living, natural remedies are becoming increasingly popular. People are seeking alternatives to traditional medicine, and herbs are at the forefront of this movement. Frequent illnesses during flu season can really disrupt our lives. We often find ourselves reaching for over-the-counter medications to alleviate symptoms, but these can come with a host of side effects. From drowsiness to stomach upset, these meds can sometimes do more harm than good. Relying on these medications can lead to a vicious cycle. We take them to feel better, but they might not address the root cause of our illness. This can leave us feeling stuck and searching for a more effective solution. The side effects of these medications can be particularly problematic for some people. For instance, those with certain health conditions or taking other medications may need to avoid specific over-the-counter meds altogether. Over time, this can lead to a growing interest in natural alternatives. People are seeking ways to prevent illnesses and treat symptoms without relying on pharmaceuticals. This shift in thinking is driving the search for effective herbs and remedies. Elderberry, echinacea, garlic, and ginger are just a few examples of herbs known for their antiviral and immune-boosting properties. Elderberry, for instance, has been shown to have potent antiviral effects, making it a popular choice for fighting off colds and flu. Echinacea is believed to stimulate the immune system, helping our bodies to fight off infection. Garlic and ginger, on the other hand, have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe a sore throat and ease congestion. These herbs work in different ways to help our bodies fight off illness. Some, like elderberry, have compounds that directly target viruses, while others, like echinacea, help to boost our immune system's response. By incorporating these herbs into our daily routine, we can potentially reduce our risk of getting sick. One compelling study on elderberry showed that it can reduce the severity and duration of cold and flu symptoms. Participants who took elderberry supplements experienced a significant reduction in symptoms compared to those who didn't. This kind of evidence is exciting for anyone looking for natural ways to stay healthy. By choosing the right herbs and using them consistently, we can potentially take control of our health and well-being. In recap, we've covered some powerful herbs that can help fight off colds and flu. From elderberry to echinacea, garlic, and ginger, these natural remedies offer a promising alternative to traditional medicine. If you have any personal experiences with using herbs to combat colds and flu, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on natural health remedies for more tips and tricks on staying healthy the natural way.